Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I do have some treats there for you, Libra. Your word of the day is everything turns to light. Nothing is happening to you. Everything is happening for you. Everything, every trial, tribulation, every test, every obstacle is making you wiser, stronger. Therefore, you're able to maintain the blessings that's coming your way, because blessings come with their own weight. You're becoming stronger with every test and every success that you're having in your life. So don't look down. Don't worry about and feel as though anything's a punishment. No, this is the workout plan so you can actually maintain and receive what you would like. I work to improve myself, embrace all that life brings to me, and transform darkness into light. I allow myself to grow, and I allow myself to grow stronger. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.